Back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Stable Diffusion Online. Stable Diffusion is a latent text-to-image diffusion model capable of generating photorealistic images given any text input, cultivates autonomous freedom to produce incredible imagery, empowers billions of people to create stunning art within seconds. You can create beautiful art using Stable Diffusion Online for free. This is where you just put in what you want to draw, you type it in. These are examples of those that have been done. You can make your dreams come true. It is easy to use. It has high quality images, GPU enabling of file generation, privacy, anonymous, and freedom. And if you want to create better prompts, select the next video. We also have some frequently asked questions on it. Let's look at the pros and cons of using Stable Diffusion Online. Like I said, it has generative capacity. Easy to use. So it has, when properly configured, it can produce high quality images that meet user specification. So it can create high quality images. That's one of the pros. It has so many tools, you can see it. It has celebrity video generation, expanded image, face swap, AI 3D model generators, AI video generator, AI voice cloning, image duplicator, and background removal. It also has some photo effects. These are all advantages of using it. You can hug your younger self. This is very nice. It has beardless feature, action figure generator, clothes changer, age filter, Polaroid maker, selfie with celebrities. It has so much more. So when it comes to the cons, when we look at the cons, you can see that it's going to cost you a little bit. I think you should go to the pricing. The cons will be in the pricing. That's right. Here we go. So we still have the free plan, which is free to use, but you have to subscribe to get some really, really good features. Because when you use the free version, of course there'll be ads. That's what they call the ads, and watermarks, ads, commercial license. You don't get commercial license. Images are not private. So you get two things if you use the free version: 10 image generation per day. Then I can only generate images one time. So if you pay for the pro version, which is $10 per month, it's built yearly. This is for yearly set. You save 50%. These are the things you get, but you don't still get image and see private. But when you pay $20 per month, it's in the max plan, build yearly, sorry, you get all this and no watermarks too. So as you can see, one of the cons is that if you don't subscribe, you're stuck with 10 image generations per day. You can generate 2 images one time and you have a lot of ads and watermarks. So hope you found this video helpful.